Daily Slow English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to part 5 of our real life English series. I am so glad you are here. Today, we will learn how to handle unexpected problems and scams in our daily lives using simple English. We will learn how to negotiate, report bank fraud, wash a car, find missing packages, and fix leaking pipes. Let's look at situation 1. Negotiating at a street market. Watch how they discuss to get a good deal.
Hello, my friend. Welcome to my stall. It is a beautiful and cool evening for walking around today.
Hi. Yes, the weather is perfect tonight, not too hot. You have a very lovely and colorful stall here.
Thank you so much. Please take your time and look around. Everything you see here is completely handmade.
This small ceramic lamp is very beautiful. I really love the bright colors and the traditional flower design.
It is hand-painted and very special. My family makes them directly in our home village in the mountains.
That is amazing. How long does it take to make one lamp like this? It looks very difficult.
It takes about 3 days to paint all the small details. The price is $60. Good price.
$60? That is a bit expensive for me. I am on a small budget for souvenirs today.
It is a rare design, and many tourists want to buy it. My absolute best price is $50.
I understand the hard work, but $50 is still a little high for me right now. If I buy 2 lamps, this blue one and the red one, can you give me a bigger discount?
You want to buy 2 lamps? The normal price is $120 for both.
Yes, one for my mother and one for me. If I take both, can you do $80?
Yeah. $80 is too low. I cannot make any profit. But because you buy 2, I will help you. If you take both right now, I can do $90. That is my final price for you.
$90 for 2 beautiful handmade lamps.
Okay, that is a very fair price. We have a deal.
Can you wrap them safely in paper so they do not break in my suitcase? Here is the cash.
Of course. I will wrap them very carefully. Thank you. You are a great customer and a smart businesswoman.
Great job. To negotiate means to discuss and find a good price. Do not be afraid to ask. Always ask for a discount when you buy more than one item. The seller might give a better price. Now, let's look at situation 2. A bank fraud alert call. See what happens when someone steals your card.
Oh no! I just got a text message about a $200 charge. I need to call the bank.
Thank you for calling Riverbank Support. This is Olivia speaking. How can I help you with your account today?
Hi, Olivia. I am having a bad morning. I saw a $200 charge on my credit card.
I am so sorry to hear that, sir. Do not worry. We will figure this out together right now. First, for security, can you please confirm your full name and your date of birth for me?
Yes, my name is Daniel Miller. My date of birth is April 9th, 1994. I am very worried.
Thank you, Daniel. And what is your current home address and the last 4 digits on your credit card?
My address is 14 Lake Street. and the last four digits on my card are 4721.
Perfect. I have found your account. I see a payment at TechZone Online for $200 today.
Yes, that is the problem. I was at the gym all morning. I have never bought anything from TechZone.
Let's check your other transactions. Did you buy a coffee at Starbucks this morning for $5?
Yes, I did buy that coffee after the gym. But the TechZone charge is definitely not mine.
Did you share your password or a security code with anyone on the phone or through an email link?
No, never. I am always very careful with my personal information online. I did not click any strange links.
Understood. We will treat it as a fraudulent charge. First, I will block your card to protect your money.
Okay, please block the card immediately. But what about my $200? Is my money gone forever now?
We will start a dispute and investigate this transaction. We cannot guarantee an immediate refund right now. It takes time to investigate. We have to contact the merchant and verify that you did not receive anything.
Oh, I see. So I just have to wait for the result? Thank you for helping me with this.
Yes. We will contact you when the investigation is finished. We will also send you a new card next week.
How long does it usually take to get the new card? I really need it for my daily expenses.
It will arrive in 5 to 7 business days. You will need to activate it and set a new PIN.
Hello, this is Daniel. Oh, that is amazing news. The $200 has been returned to my account?
Yes, the investigation was successful and the fraudulent charge was canceled. You did the right thing by calling us quickly. A fraudulent charge is an illegal payment made by someone else. They steal your card information online. Always check your bank statements. If you see something strange, call your bank to block your card immediately. Now, let's look at situation 3. At the car wash. Learning how to choose the right cleaning service. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sparkle Car Wash. We have basic, standard, and full wash options for your vehicle today.
Hi. My car really needs a good wash today. I just came back from a camping trip in the mountains.
Oh, camping sounds fun. But the mountain roads can be very messy. Did it rain during your trip there?
Yes, it rained heavily all weekend. The dirt roads were covered in deep mud, so my car is filthy.
I can clearly see that. The basic wash is just outside. The standard includes an outside wash and inside vacuum.
My car wheels are very dirty, and the floor mats have thick mud. What does the full wash include?
The full wash is everything. We wash the outside, clean the wheels, vacuum the mats, and clean the inside windows.
That sounds perfect. I will take the full wash. My windows are so blurry I can barely see outside.
Great choice. The full wash also includes a free air freshener. We have new car, vanilla, and lemon scents.
I will take the new car scent, please. I really missed that fresh smell when I first bought it.
Good pick. Please leave your car keys here and remember to remove your phone, wallet, and any important papers.
Okay, I have my phone and wallet. Can I pay with a credit card, or do you only take cash?
We definitely take credit cards. The total is $30. It takes about 25 minutes for the full wash service.
Here is my card. Is there a warm place I can sit and wait while you clean the car?
Yes, you can sit in our waiting lounge right behind you. There is free hot coffee and Wi-Fi inside.
To vacuum means to clean the dust and dirt from the inside of your car using a machine. Always remember to remove your important items like your phone and wallet before leaving your car at the wash. Now let's look at situation 4, the missing package. Finding out what to do when your delivery gets lost.
Hello? Yes, I think my package is missing. The app says it was delivered, but my front porch is empty.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Let's check the system. What is your name and the tracking number, please?
My name is Jack Miller. The tracking number is 125468. It is a small box with running shoes.
Thank you, Jack. Let me look it up. The system says the driver dropped it off 10 minutes ago.
That is impossible. I have been sitting in my living room all morning, and nobody knocked on my front door. I even looked outside multiple times because I need those running shoes for a marathon training session this afternoon.
Sometimes packages are delivered to the wrong building by mistake. There is a building 14 and a building 41.
Oh, let me check my order page online. It says 41 Lake Street. We are 14 Lake Street.
I typed the wrong number when I bought the shoes. Oh no, it is my mistake. What do I do?
It is not a big problem. I will call the delivery driver right now and ask him to go back.
Can he just pick it up from building 41 and bring it to my correct apartment address today?
Yes, he is still in your neighborhood. I will update your correct address to 14 Lake Street in the system.
Thank you so much. I was really worried I lost my new running shoes. You have been very helpful.
You are welcome, Jack. The driver will bring it to your door in 20 minutes. Have a good day. Delivered means the package has successfully arrived at the location. But sometimes, human errors can happen with the address. Always double-check your address numbers before you order online. 14 and 41 look very similar and are easy to confuse. Now, let's look at our final situation, fixing a broken pipe. This is a real emergency for any homeowner. Oh my goodness! Hello! I need a plumber quickly! The pipe under my kitchen sink is leaking heavily right now.
Calm down, miss. I can come to your house this afternoon. Is it a small drip or a large leak?
Help! It's a huge leak! I was just washing my breakfast dishes, and the pipe suddenly exploded with water everywhere. My kitchen floor is completely wet, and the dirty water is ruining my expensive wooden floor. Please help me.
Okay, listen to me carefully. Please turn off the main water valve right now to stop the water flow immediately.
The main water valve? I do not know where that is. I just moved into this old house last month.
It is usually located in the cabinet right behind the sink. Or sometimes it is down in the dark basement.
Okay, I am looking under the sink. Yes, I see a red handle. I am turning it clockwise right now. Okay, I turned it off and the spraying water finally stopped. Thank God. How much will it cost to fix?
It depends on the pipe damage and if I need to buy new parts. It is usually around $80.
$80 is fine. It is raining outside. Will traffic delay you? I cannot use my kitchen at all.
Traffic is heavy, but I will be there in 30 minutes. Please use old towels to dry the wooden floor.
Understood. I will grab some towels and start drying the floor right away. Thank you so much. I will wait. A plumber is a professional person who fixes broken water pipes. They are lifesavers when you have a home emergency. Make sure you know exactly where your main water valve is located in your house. It can save your floors. You did an amazing job today. We solved so many difficult problems together using very simple and clear English sentences. Next time in Part 6, we will learn English for dating, going to the gym, and taking care of pets. Thank you for watching Daily Slow English. Keep practicing every day, and see you in the next fun lesson.
Daily Slow English.